Welcome back to Becky Cooks. In today's episode, we are going to be making this yummy and fluffy masa with a twist. First of all, I soaked 4 cups of masa rice in water and I washed it thoroughly with running water until the water runs clear, and then I soak till it's soft enough to blend. So after it has soaked, I strained out the water and this is what I have. So for the remaining half cup of masa rice, I'm going to be boiling this with 3 cups of water. I started with 2 cups and I added 1 extra cup later. So this is the beef I'm going to be using. I just spiced it up and I'll cook. So I'm putting in the masa in the blender. I added 2 cups of water to 3 cups of masa. Then here I added extra 1 cup of masa, which made it 4 cups of masa rice with 3 cups of water. So I'm going to blend this and I'll be right back. So this is yeast and it's 1 tablespoon, then 1 tablespoon of sugar and lukewarm water. Mix and cover and set aside. This is the rice already cooked. So I'm going to be blending this with, I just took out part of my blended masa. So I added the cooked rice and I'm going to blend this up also. So this is now, I'm mixing it together, and since it's still warm, so it will help to activate the yeast faster actually. So here I added in the yeast mixture. I added in just about 3 tablespoons of sugar, but you can add to your preferred taste. I covered this and let it rise for about 30 minutes, but this didn't take up to 30 minutes because it's already very warm. And I didn't even bother to keep it in any, I just left it on the countertop and less than 30 minutes it was ready. So this is the beef. I added in little pepper and I'll just blend. So this is the masa. It has proved very well, and now we are ready to fry. I like the texture this way. I don't want it to be too light. Oil your masa pan with little oil, and then you scoop your masa paste inside your pan. And then I'm adding in the beef now. So after it has cooked for some minutes on the other side, you just flip it over and let the other side cook. And after it has cooked also, you flip it again and cook on the other side also. So you flip again and let the other side, and when it's ready you bring it out of the fire of the pan. You insert that toothpick and you see that it comes out clean, then it's ready. So to the remaining batch, I'm just pouring in the remaining beef just to have another style. Just want to try this out and see how it comes out. So you repeat the same process. And when it's ready on one side, you flip to the other and let the other side get ready too. And I just decided to have it with a little bit of pepper sauce, which I'll be adding in the remaining beef inside. You can have this with any side of your choice, either the vegetable soup or the pepper stew or beef stew or whatever. So just enjoy this however you want it. So our fluffy yummy masa is ready. And let me know if you'll be trying this out. And if you're new here, please click the red subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new videos. Thank you. And this is the one with the beef inside. And the taste was amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.